Hey YouTube, so this is Renee's Hill at the AOAA Snow Ride 2020 Friends and Family Ride that I'm guiding, and this is going to be pretty short. We're doing Renee's Hill. It is a blue hill climb, but we're going down it. To the right of me is SOB. I posted a video on SOB a couple months ago, and that's entrance SOB if you want to know how to get there. And then to the left is Zach Spender. Zach Spender is probably the easiest ride in the entire park. So this is going at the actual speed of the Jeep. It hasn't been sped up or anything. This little arrowhead rock on the right hand side is pretty much the only obstacle on this trail of any concern. And there's a big kind of hole there, and it's off canter, so you kind of slide into the rock. And essentially we have a spotter that's just standing there to,
we can always put some rocks
point
in
out, like, if the Jeep gets in danger, like, basically he'll just like be like, hey, stop, like, let's, you know, back up, let's see what we can do to get you off the rock, because nobody wants to have a big scar on the side of their Jeep. Yeah, we just go down this, and like I said, this is the actual speed of the Jeep. I didn't speed the video or anything like that. And this trail is actually considerably more difficult to go up than it is to go down. And usually, if you look at the other videos that I've posted of me going up it, I get up to that rock, that little arrowhead rock, that's a problem. And then I probably could make it past that arrowhead rock, but it gets like ridiculously close to the Jeep. And so I always choose to like winch in that spot, just to make sure that like I don't like put any like dents or whatever in the door of the Jeep. But if I had like a rig where I didn't really care so much about like the paint job and everything, I could easily go like right past that little spot. So we're gonna go back to more of the audio on the camera now, so you can actually hear the audio of us watching the last couple Jeeps go down.
If he wants me to, he's moving. Like, I'll walk up and spot him if he wants, but like he's moving. So if I see the tire stop moving, I'll walk up there. But like he's like moving faster than I'd walk up there, you know. And he's already past the spot anyway, so. So we can turn around and go right back up it if we really wanted to, but every single time I've ever gone up this trail, with like every single Jeep I've been with, we've had to winch like at that same exact rock. Like that's a rock, like it's a pain going up and a pain going down.
Just where he just passed?
Yeah.
It's real soft there.
Yeah. So after this we can go do maybe like bucket and filler. And then after that, like maybe head back toward the parking lot. And there's maybe a couple blues at the near the parking lot, but. And then after that, like we've pretty much done all the blues on the side of the park, like this half of the entire park. So yeah, then it'll be black and or greens. But I think we could do like lower anthracite and beeline. Those are easier blacks. We really want. I had like a whole lot of time. I can see that she's smiling, like she must be loving it.